Okay, next one up, rolled Enfield Interceptor 650. This is a new client just ridden from southeast London. Thought he would treat his steed to a bit of trot TLC. This does live outside, so it has definitely been affected by the moisture in the air. Check out those covers, they're like sandpaper. Even worse than that, look at these exhausts. Oh man, unfortunately they are pretty heavily pitted. Not a lot I can do with those. We will give them a good polish. The rest of it's going to get, well, the whole bike's going to get one of our legendary full Monty valets. We will polish up those engine cases and the rocker cover, get these exhausts the best we can, and then we will mist it with the XCP clear coat. So that should neutralize any rust and prevent any further. I will do a single stage polish on all this bodywork, get a nice bit of gloss back to it, get rid of some of the marks and scratches on it. Like I said, it does live outside, so it's definitely suffered. So time for a bit of trot TLC. Let's get this thing looking like it should, get some protection on it. Give me a few hours. There you go, trot magic wand strikes again. Royal Enfield 650 Interceptor has been fully trotted and looking freaking sweet. What a transformation on this. This lives outside, so it was definitely needing a good old polish. Had lots of rust and corrosion on it, which we've managed to sort out the best we can. The exhausts are quite heavily pitted, those tailpipes, but we've given them a good old polish. Managed to get them shined up, but can't do much with that pitting. All the wheels have been meticulously cleaned, all the chains been serviced. I polished these engine covers up the best I can. They're a nightmare, those covers. They're not the best quality metal, and if they live outside they do deteriorate. Just did a two-stage polish on the bodywork. Look at the freaking gloss on that, absolutely gleaming. Got the rust off the petrol cap. Yeah, 3 hours, trot full Monty Valley. Get yours booked in now. We're open 6 days a week. Satisfaction always guaranteed. 07966 249 963.